Hello, guys. Anyways, I went to a garage sale today. I ended up getting myself a nice, big, extra screwdriver. These ones I'm not too sure. I could probably use them for locksmithing, but these look more just kind of your generics. They are I bought them for $1 too, so that's awesome. I also got one of these as well. Tiny little square. Antique square, shall I imagine. There is some letterings that are in there that I could see in the light, but for you guys, maybe. There you go. See, there's a number. I can see a number 5 hiding in there. A 4. It should be a 3 buried in there somewhere. I could really see it's right in there. Right there somewhere. Somewhere in there. Probably there. And then you got 2 and then your 1. And you got all this. This piece here was missing. Might get that put together. Somewhere buried in here is a name. You can see there's like a Harry something in there. We're going to be restoring these. Alright. Take out the tape. I would be advised. I'm a trained idiot. Alright. Okay. Let me get these out. A little bit of interruption there. I just got that cut. Now I gotta get more of that corners. Let me peel these out. Let's see if I can get. Like some of them are gonna need some work. They're not gonna be like the big guy's gonna use some. It's gonna use some love. There's some that are pretty fine, I guess. Like the one with the Phillips head. That one's pretty decent. It's has no markings or anything on there. The big thick one, there's a marking for Taiwan in there. It's better than China, that's for sure. That will be cleaned up. There's another one in here. Another no-name brand. Not sure what's going on there. And then there's another really rusty one. So yeah, I got 3 flats and 1 Phillips. I'll be cleaning those off camera, but I will be using one of them, and that would be the tiny guy, because I'm going to be working on this today. That one's more of an importance at the moment, but this extra thick one will be coming in handy. For you non-memes out there, there's the thick with 2 C's is really meant for somebody with a curvaceous bottom, but for me, I use it in multiple. Alright, let's see what we can do. Now, give me a hot second while I go grab my chair. Alright, here's another little thing that I've noticed along the way too. The initials. Somebody's initials. This here is pretty much just ground in the next week. I might be able to pop it off, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, sorry my finger. Sorry about the finger. I really need a tripod. Alright, so we're gonna see if we can get you guys in focus. See, there's a couple little screws that are in here. Flatheads. That's why I wanted to use this. Maybe too fat for it, but no. It's actually pretty great for it. Right? So far, so good. So like I said, I'll be restoring the screwdrivers off camera. So here's one that's been ground when it was set in. So they must have ran it over with like probably a sander of some sort. Probably a bench sander, probably one of those flat sanders that Hand Tool Rescue has used. Probably that sort of case. Yeah, I'm just gonna get, you know what? Use my finger. The fingers of Thor. Okay, here we go. Open that up. Like that there. Brush away the insect. Okay. Let's see if it pops out. No. We're gonna have to tap. Okay. So, let's see. It doesn't want to come out, so the screws were kind of useless. They're kind of useful, but in my case, yeah. Right. Put the screws over here behind you guys. I'm gonna see if I can try and tip tap these out or just push them out or something. Oh. Alright. Give me a second. I'm gonna ring at that one. Alright, I'm back. That was tough as... Oh, hell. Right. So here's the plate for it. Probably another one could be made. Probably have one made. These pins, they haven't been out since... who knows how long? So to kind of give this thing the love tap, I ended up having to sacrifice my, what was going to be my parts holder in order to get this thing out. So this thing hasn't been apart in probably a little over 100 years. Let's see if it moves at all. Oh yeah, we got movement. Alright, that's good. We are apart. Want that. We're gonna move the bits over. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pop this end off. Oh, we got two more. I see two more screws. Alright, that I didn't see yet. So that's new to me. So we're held on by 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. This is held on by 4 screws. I will only know the name until I am done here. And until I'm done the other part, the actual measuring bit, then I will go ahead and give you guys the goods. I'll have to set the camera down to do this and move all the little contents of what was going to be on here, and I'm going to clean those up and stick it all back together. Looks like it took a little bit of slamming. Like it looked like somebody was, like it definitely didn't look like me was slamming at it, because there was no part that came out of it. It was all like that in the first place. So I think somebody tried restoring this before and they just gave up and chucked it in their shed or something. And then here comes me, and I'm just slowly plucking away at this thing. Probably some dude in maybe the 40s or the 30s probably tried screwing around with this thing and lost some bits, and yeah. Farmers are resourceful, so I bet you they probably used the other little 3-way key thingy here for some sort of, I don't know, something. I don't see a date or anything on them. It's been ground straight plain, so it's been kind of like it's been ground kind of like that, and then back and forth, and then planed. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean it up. Clean it up and clean up spots and a bunch of stuff. I'm going to go ahead and wire brush clean all the wood up here and do all this. Alright, since the bench grinder has to be running, it's going to be very vibratory here. As much as I would want to show you guys it, it's literally on the bench, and I don't have a tripod, and I got to build one. I'm going to see if I can take one of my old cameras apart and use the little screw, put it in some wood and whatnot. Anyways, give me a hot second. Alright, here comes final assembly. I have cleaned everything up. Now, let's get everything put together. I oiled it. Literally, I use your people who do wood is gonna really cringe on this one. I use Kohler motor oil because I don't have any others. Actually worked pretty good with my my levels over there. They're easy. They will be very easy to sand. I can say that because it's really just an oily surface. So if you want to take it out, a little bit of degreaser and some sanding. Just do it. Just letting you guys know. Okay. Should I put it on the right freaking side? Maybe smart of me. Right. Slide that there. Right. Gotcha. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the. I'm gonna put the name on the side. Yeah. Hold on. Sometimes it's a bit of a dick to try and get it. This seat. Get it on the. Might as well put the metal piece on first. Now I'm thinking about it. Put the metal piece on first. I think that'd be a smarter idea. Sorry for being a little oddly quiet. I'm just concentrating. Well, I'm gonna go find something flatter. Give me a second here. I'm gonna work. I'm gonna use the my smaller bit on the one that you guys have seen many times. Really, these are meant for like big bits. Like if I were to be putting in a clock or something, I'll clean and nourish these ones as well. All right. Make sure you wipe off any of the garbage that's in there. And put it in. See if I have a different bit. Sometimes you could have the biggest issues with the fat bits. That's the smallest one I have. I do not want to be going upstairs to have to go fetch my little ones. I do not want to have to do that. What's nice is these screws, the frame they hold is countersunk, so well, you kind of need that anyway. It's a square. I kind of nourished the wood, but it's drying up, so I'm gonna have to get some like actual like shellac or something, because this is some thirsty wood. You see that? Wood was thirsty. All right. All right. Shit happens. Alright, when I get some polish and some time, I'll go ahead and use my my drill currently and get some metal polish and some polishing wheels and just go ahead and polish all this up. Polish up all the brass. Just take all the brass off and polish them. Alright, the ones that are in here are more of a rivet fit, if you're wondering. They're really more of a rivet fit, so I'm not gonna grab or spill milk. How did I have this before? Okay. Like this. Yep. Okay, this is the side I want it to be on. There we go. So just go ahead and just take the finely polished what I got going on here. Put it where it wants to sit, right? It only really goes on one way. That would be the geese. These only sit one way, if you're wondering. There you go, there's a really tighter one there. Let's get my keen hammer. Try and get him in there. There we go. That's one. Two. Third. All right. That's in there. Let's cut it. Oop. Sorry about that. Right. There you go. I'll probably give it the final clean before I do anything else. Anyways, the name. Let me get the name. See if I can get it to you guys so you can see it a little easier. Sorry about my finger in the way. Just getting this all colored in so you guys can see what I'm seeing. Alright, check me out. Alright. Let's see if you guys can read this. Alright, there you go. Henry Diaz. This actually says on here, if I can read it. Henry Disston and Sons. That's what it says. See? Henry Disston and Sons. There's an old USA. It's still on there. And then the place where it's probably made, which I'm assuming, because there's a D, I'm going to assume it's Dayton, Ohio. So yeah, all you really need to do to get that cleaned off is just to wipe it with alcohol, and you should be fine. Alright. There, guys, this one's gotten quite long.